So to assign a subject a class, there are two different ways in which you can do it. So in the sidebar here, you can come under classes and streams. So when you go to classes and streams, it will list all the classes that we currently have here. Alright, so to assign subjects to a class, you can simply click on any class of your choice. So let's say we are adding subjects to senior 4, right? We are going to click on edit button that you see here, click on it. Then we shall come here, down here we have all the subjects that we have in the system. So you'll come here, choose a subject that belongs to that class. Alright, so let's say there is we want to add some math, maybe Uganda. You can see this is an A-level subject. For now we want to just use it for testing. We click on it. If we want to remove this Uganda, we simply remove it and we remove the highlight. Okay, and we come here and save class. So when you save class, the subject is added onto the subject is added onto that class and also on the stream. So another way to add it is come here under subjects. Right, when you come here under subjects, you are going to do it in the reversal way. Last time we are doing adding a subject, a class. Now we can add a class to a subject. You will come here under a subject that you want, maybe agriculture. You click on edit. When you click on edit, you are going to choose a class that you want here. Maybe let's say we now want to add senior 1. Alright, we click on senior 1 and click on save. So let's say you have you want to assign this subject to many classes and you realize that it is actually very tiresome to go from one class to another, from one class to another. So it is simple. We can do what we call bulk here. So when I click on it, it is showing me an error down here that select at least one subject. So I will select add, and maybe increase on how many I'm seeing on this page. I'll select art again, biology, chemistry, something like that. Okay, so then I will come here and say I want to set all these subjects to a certain class. I will click on set classes and it should bring for me a pop-up like this. So I will select senior 5, senior 1 and senior 3. So once I click on them and select them and I click on apply, it prompts me, do I want to confirm set classes senior 5, senior 2 for 3 subjects, and then if it is a yes, I click on yes. So those subjects, you can see action applied here, those subjects are actually added to those classes.